Abrasion is a complex process of rocks being carried along the river. As they move along the river, it gradually breaks down the riverbed, making it smoother. This is due to erosion between and friction between the rocks and the riverbed and the banks as well. The second form of erosion is attrition. It's when rocks are being carried by the river. The rocks consistently smash together and break into smaller, smoother, and also rounder particles.
Constructive waves. Constructive waves are most prone to happen in the summer. They have a low wavelength and a strong swash. This means they build up waste material and debris on the beach. Also, they have a long wavelength. Waves are most prone to happen in stormy, wintry conditions. They are created from big, strong waves when the fetch is powerful. They have a strong backwash, which erodes beaches. They have a short wavelength but are tall and steep. Fetch. No, not the thing you say to your dog, but a fetch. The fetch is the distance the wind blows over the surface of the water. That means it's the distance waves travels to hit the coastline from the sea. Waves are formed when wind blows over the surface of the sea. As the wind blows over the surface, friction is created, producing a swell in the water. The energy of the wind causes water particles to rotate inside the swell, and this moves the wave forward. As you can see, this is a destructive wave, as it has a weak swash and a strong backwash.
Hydraulic action is an erosive process that usually occurs when the motion of water or the wave acts against the rock. This is called mechanical weathering. This usually occurs in banks, and it can cause air to be trapped in cracks. The pressure differential weakens the banks and gradually wears it away. Erosion affects different types of rocks at different speeds. It affects soft rocks such as limestone and chalk very quickly, and it wears it down quickly as well. This is probably due to the intermolecular forces, as they're very weak, unlike hard rock such as granite and basalt, which have very strongly attracted particles, which mean that it's very resistant to waves and pressure, meaning it will stay up for much longer. There are a lot of ways of erosion. Erosion involves breaking down the rock as it moves along a river. The first way of erosion is solution. It's the process of soluble particles being dissolved into the river.